Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to optimize SEO in hosting your website builder. The first thing I want you to do is just come here to hpanel.hostinger.com. From the left hand section, click on websites. You'll see all your websites listed. Click on edit website for the website you want to optimize SEO. And then on the left hand navigation bar, you'll see SEO right here. Click on this. I've already optimized for home, but you'll have multiple pages, right? So you go to each page, for example, the menu page, and here, this is just a search result preview. So you can scroll down here, add keywords, right? You have your SEO titles. Make sure you have optimized it. SEO, search engine optimization, add a meta description. What I suggest, the keywords, make sure you include them in your title. Include them in the description. And if you can repeat the exact title in the description, that's even better. Okay? And make sure the length is at least, 156 characters at least. So, and then you can go ahead and have in the page URL a keyword. The key focus keyword, for example, donuts. Now, let's go back here, click generate new SEO info. You can use their AI assistant, okay, for SEO. So click here, tell them about your page, and then go ahead and select some keywords for your page, move to the next step, right? And then you'll review your search engine appearance right here. You'll get an SEO title and a meta description, okay, using their AI. And as you can see, we're basically done, and it will automatically save, so you don't have to worry about anything else. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.